Today, we're bringing you a fresh and important update from Spotify Camp Nou, where visible progress is accelerating across multiple sections of the stadium. Facade panels are climbing higher across the tribuna section, clearly reshaping the exterior profile. Inside, major structural elements continue rising steadily, especially in the upper tiers, where the future seating levels are now beginning to define the stadium's final silhouette. For the first time, certain sections of the stadium are starting to feel genuinely complete. Not fully finished, but clearly taking their final shape. So, what exactly happened? Let's take a closer look. Seating installation is building momentum in the north corner, while structural reinforcement continues accelerating in the south goal. The north corner demonstrates a strong seating installation surge. Prefabricated units are being lifted consistently, filling the third-tier structure. This sector now appears significantly more advanced, pushing the stadium closer to completing the ring. Across multiple zones, the project reflects clear and measurable advancement. From facade expansion to seating growth and structural reinforcement, the stadium's transformation continues with confident and structured momentum. The store-side diamond reflects visible interior advancement. Crews are focusing on refinements and structural detailing inside the zone. Recent corner additions confirm that finishing work is steadily moving forward, strengthening this section's overall development. The diamond area shows strong technical progress, with lower glass connections being precisely refined. Metal joints are measured and trimmed to ensure perfect alignment. This preparation phase signals that facade closure is moving closer, marking a key step toward completing this architectural feature. The south goal corner presents a major preparation breakthrough. Protective safety nets have been extended across beam structures, clearing the way for prefabricated seating installation. This marks an important step toward completing one of the final third-tier sections. The south goal sector demonstrates strong multi-level construction momentum. Beam painting and surface treatments are actively enhancing structural protection and finish. Slat support alignment and anchor securing are progressing in parallel, reinforcing this area for the next installation phase. The lateral front area reflects a significant structural update. Elevator and staircase cores are now fully enclosed with sandwich panels up to the top. Additional panels have expanded facade coverage, giving the structure a more complete and defined appearance. The central lateral framework shows clear installation advancement. This section is steadily transitioning from heavy structure to enclosure. The corner transition area displays accelerated facade preparation. Multiple lifting platforms are aligning slat supports and reinforcing anchors. Upper-tier sections reveal continued structural advancement. Previously poured concrete is now set, and surface preparation is moving forward. Material readiness indicates that finishing phases are approaching steadily. Gol Norte reflects a key structural readiness milestone. Large steel beams and tubular elements have arrived to support upcoming installations. Anchor points are now visible in the lower corner, preparing the area for facade assembly. The stair and elevator cores near Gol Norte show advanced structural completion. Frameworks are nearly ready for concrete facade panel placement. Glass installations and decorative trims continue expanding, enhancing the stadium's visual transformation. If you're enjoying this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exclusive behind-the-scenes progress.